Kita sekarang ada kemaskan area baru, sama level dengan jalan. Lepas ni kena kemaskan dulu, lepas tu letak buluh.
Tengah bersihkan sungai sebelah Mid Valley.
Membersihkan pokok apa entah nama ni, macam pokok kelapa sawit, untuk kita tanam pokok buluh di sini .
You follow panjang. So we need a lot to cover the mulch after they have clear. What is the purpose to mulching? Ini kita panggil mulching. Instead of fertilizer, you use the organic waste as mulch. It becomes your natural nutrients to the plants.
So basically this is what we call natural fertilizer. We're gonna use this cut leaves and put up there for natural fertilizer at where we're gonna plant the bamboo trees.
I volunteer because I want to help to save our river together with our team here, helping each other to preserve our nature. Of course, our environment is very important for us because it will help the future and also the new generation to live in a better world. Happy because I am part of the team here today to clean our river.
Basically, this is a chance for me to somewhat give back to the community. It's not just work, we also have to take care of our environment. Quite a good exercise as well, to be out here, to be in the sun. It's a good day today. It started off with rain, but now the sun is up, good weather.
I volunteered to join this campaign. So actually we are very happy. It's kind of a gathering for our team. At the same time, we are also able to contribute our energy to clean the environment. So the environment really need to be taken care. So that's why everyone must have the awareness to look after our entire environment, especially in Malaysia. It's really clean and it's very nice to see. Actually today is the 4th December. It's my birthday, but still I'm coming down to join this session. The reason is I really want to make sure that there's my part contributed here to clean the river and also the environment. So I really feel very happy. It's a valuable thing in my life.